Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I got Charlie here. We're in my garage and I look up and there's a hummingbird in my garage.
Corey, you're not pissing around either.
It's like
No, you're
a
not.
literal
I won't let you.
hummingbird. Like, he keeps landing and I feel so bad for him. Like, we had to open our big garage door, that garage door, and he's just chirping in here. He's just hanging. Get it? Hanging. But I can't believe we actually have a hummingbird in our garage. Like, okay, we named all of our hummingbirds, and this is Skittles right here. This is Skittles. I can tell him apart because he is little, and he has green on his back. You guys probably can't tell on the camera, but he's stuck. Just feel so bad for him. Where in the world did he go? What do you think you're doing? And like, I'm so scared he's like gonna go up there.
Oh, he went behind.
Uh-oh. Oh,
Look, he's getting hard.
he is. Grandma, what? You want me to go get some? Want me to go get some sugar water for him?
No.
You can't make it.
He's getting tired.
He'll be all right.
He has to have
You guys really can't like see
We'll
him.
have to go out of here so he can go under the door
But
and get out.
You're gonna have to what?
Go out. So he can get out on here to go out.
Yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Bye. Say bye, Charlie.